I love the bells in this game. I always overlooked how...
Me too.
It's so nice to hear the bells.
Okay, one more
this
shot.
food is never coming. I'm just
never.
gonna accept that.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
I hope it wasn't anything important. Okay. Now, I assume Jane won't instantly tell us anything, but maybe there's something I can pick her brain about.
Hey, Jane, what's good?
Hi, Nancy.
How was class today? Oh, let's...
Ooh. Just like straight up.
Do we want to lead with that?
No way. I want to ask about Lulu
Do you know what the
first.
magic word is for Lulu?
Magic word? No. I think you're spending a bit too much time with that parrot.
The magic word is salami. Okay.
I should get going.
Come back soon.
So you don't want to
do that
confront her yet?
Not just yet. I don't think I'm going to be bribing Lulu with food for this. I'm gonna go ask...
Mrs. Drake?
Yeah.
Letitia is such a strange name. I dig it.
Do. Or maybe I can ask her about the ritual.
Maybe you could.
But I don't know if I trust her enough for that.
Really, huh?
Yeah. Because remember, didn't we learn that if Linda leaves or moves out, doesn't she get...
She gets 50% of the Penvellyn estate.
Exactly, she makes that bank. So,
She has a lot of motive.
a lot of motive to lie to me.
Yes?
I think Ethel is trying to recruit Jane into some kind of secret society. I'm not leading right with that yet.
Do you
Let's
know
try the bird.
anything about Lulu's magic word?
Magic word? Oh, yes. You see, my brother and grandfather would play a word game with Lulu. I never understood how it was played, but they'd play for hours. Lulu would sometimes grow sullen and refuse to play the game anymore unless they told her that... Oh, what was it that they'd have to tell her? It's perched on the tip of my tongue. Ah,
Perched.
they had
like a
to
bird.
tell Lulu that she was a very, very clever and beautiful bird.
That's so sad.
So we could try telling that to Lulu now.
I will. And just so I don't have to play a game every time I wanna.
Would you have a torch that I could borrow?
No, I'm afraid not. Jane ruined all of ours with some sort of experiment she cooked up. But I believe she may have some of those glow sticks for illumination.
Okay, so there's no way out of the glow sticks.
Yeah. At least not yet.
Not yet. Picture book. I might as well. I'll do everything before I do
Yeah, because
this.
that's kind of a
The picture book
bombshell.
in Jane's room. Do you know much about its history?
My brother Alan found it somewhere in the house. He was quite fascinated by it, but he'd never let me look at it.
What was your brother Alan like?
He was quite remarkable. He taught linguistics and computer science and won many prestigious awards. He loved games, especially pranks, and was forever tinkering with this and that. I do miss him sometimes, but now he's gone. He died a month after my husband passed away, and ever since I've been here all alone. Until Hugh came back from the United States, that is.
That is also depressing.
Goodbye.
The pleasure is all mine, child.
So you're still not going to bring that up?
Not just yet.
You wanna get all your ducks in a row before you make an arrest,
Exactly.
as Tino Balducci would say.
This is like turning out to be one of my favorite games, I think.
Really?
Yeah, I would definitely say so. It's definitely had the one of the most series of interesting events that I've ever played in a Nancy Drew game.
I am pleased to hear this.
I can't get over this.
Yeah.
Like, what was with the jewelry?
Some Temple of Doom stuff.
No, literally, like, I literally thought, like, what kind of Egyptian costume jewelry?
Well, let's go speak with Lulu then and see if those words mean anything to her.
Right. Hi, bud.
Hello!
I know the magic word.
Magic word, magic word! What's the magic word?
Lulu is a very, very clever and beautiful bird.
Ah, clever and beautiful! How true, clever and beautiful! Ah.
Easy, Lulu. You're hurting my ears.
So, what's your word?
Barber.
Bleach. Bleach, 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 bleach.
Bye, bird.
Lulu, you're my best friend.
I would advise that we could go down to the secret passageway now.
Yeah.
So, are you a Lulu fan?
I'm a Lulu fan.
Nice.
Lulu's my best friend.
A lot of people are very annoyed by Lulu.
How could you be annoyed? I'm kidding.
Okay.
I think in like the first time I touched this game, but we didn't like finish it, I was very annoyed. But now I recognize that Lulu is a blessing.
I'm pleased to hear that.
Oh crap.
You probably still have a picture of that crest. It's the one on the door if you want to back up and take another look at it.
Yeah, just in case.
Okay, so that's right, down, down.
No, that's
Up?
right, up,
Oh, I was going from top to bottom,
Oh.
left to right.
right, up, down, left, down, right.
Okay.
Right, up, down, left, down, right.
Time has
Right, up,
Right, up,
down,
down,
left, down,
Left.
right.
down, right. Please tell me my glow stick still works.
Yeah, your glow stick's fine. For now.
Don't scare me like that.
Oh, I love this music.
So I used to play point and click games a lot as a little kid. Like just like the free ones you would find on.
Yeah.
And I'm hello? Getting very strong like vibes to like the scary ones that my little sister and I would play when I look at this hallway.
Let's just keep on going down, I guess.
Uh-oh.
No.
Looks like it's time for another glow stick.
Okay, you'd probably hurry down to the bottom, I'd say, before it's too late.
What happens if I get stuck down here?
I don't know. Okay. Lulu said leech. What would you say to Ethel if you ran into her again? Picture.
How do it be?
We could go tell that to Lulu now, but you might want to
Yeah.
hurry up the stairs.
Ah.
So the new word is picture.
Barber, leech, picture.
and the winner is Lulu.
Hey, best friend.
Hello.
Does the word picture mean anything to you? You very, very clever and beautiful bird, you?
Picture book. Picture book.
So the key word is book.
Bye, bird.
I wonder what.
Now,
Picture book is obviously like a thing, but like, what the heck is a barber leech?
I couldn't tell you.
I need a bigger bowl.
So,
The winner is Lulu.
okay, we might want to go get another glow stick from Jane then to play it safe.
Agreed. Like one more.
One more now.
All right, we win.
All right.
Poggers.
You are a very clever and beautiful bird, so I will tell you that you don't actually have to go back to Lulu every time. If you want, you can take guesses and try to figure out what the rest of the words are. Because if I'm not mistaken, there's no more barber leech random pairs. A lot of them are just going to be common sense compound words.
All right. But I like talking to Lulu.
All right. I won't stop you if you're into that sort of thing.
I should
Talking to
get
parrots.
Ta-ta.
I want to drop the bomb on Jane, but I remember she was specifically told not to mention it to anyone, and I know she's incredibly lonely, so she might mention it to me, but I also don't want her mentioning to Ethel that I mentioned it to her.
All right.
Like, Ethel might literally kill me.
What about Mrs. Drake? What do you think of her?
She's also very lonely, so...
I mean,
So she actually might tell me more easily.
okay.
But I haven't talked to Linda yet today.
Guess she's not in her room.
Oops.
You're gonna need a bigger bowl.
Oh, you want to speak with Linda?
Yeah.
All right.
Just briefly. See what's up.
What's good, Linda? Still nothing here, just lotion and a phone.
Linda? Is there anything I can get for you?
A well full of nice cold water sounds good. My mouth is so dry and I always seem to be thirsty. And I get so hungry.
Girl.
You should go.
Daisy's gonna flirt with her.
But I like talking to you.
I said go. Now. Get out. Do you hear me? Get out!
Okay, let's
Flirting
get out.
failed.
Persuasion attempt failed.
Nancy's got to work on her charisma stat.
God. Imagine if they made an RPG Nancy Drew where you picked your stats at the
I
beginning.
would play the heck out of that.
That'd be so much fun. Booch.
Baby. Clothes? Baby. Look. Book. What do we got here?
I can give you a hint.
No, I have to be very smart.
Okay, okay.
Rattle. Oh, Lulu.
Hello.
How good are you at giving
No.
hints?
Oh,
No.
wrong one.
Your troubles to Lulu.
Well, you can ask hints if you
Oh,
want.
very, very clever and beautiful bird. What's up with the word baby?
Cake first. Lulu hungry. Cake first. Cake first.
A cake, huh? All right, I'll see what I can do.
How the heck was I supposed to get the word cake from baby?
No. It's the word's not cake. She wants a cake.
Oh.
Before she'll tell you.
Hey, wait a minute.
No, not the salami bomb. No.
What's the worst that could happen?
You know what? Yeah, let's give it a try.
Let's save first.
There's second chance in this game. I doubt it's glitchy like text and Shadow
I don't
Ranch.
know. I'm kind of like classically conditioned to fear that now. I don't want to get.
Give the bird the salami cake.
You're gonna need
Do it now.
The winner is Lulu.
This is your fault.
Hello.
Lulu want a yummy cake?
Cake. Lulu want cake.
I feel so bad. Salami. Oh god, I killed her. Oh no.
Fight the power.
Oh no! What happened to Lulu?
Oh no.
It's Lulu. I'm afraid I bet it's something I
Oh,
shouldn't
now
have.
Jane comes out of her
Hugh
room.
Penvellyn just called to say that his little girl just called him. She's upset, which means he's upset, which means you've been uninvited to Blackmoor Manor.
You mean...
Call a cab, dear. You're fired.
Man. Okay. I feel bad that I killed Lulu. She's
it
my
was-
best friend.
It was just a prank, Lulu. Get over it. That's so funny that she said "fight the powers." Nicholas Falcone reference. This is Linda's room.
Oh, oops. Don't want anything to do with her.
Yeah. While she's eating everything in sight. Okay, so this is kind of like the sandwich making puzzle from Deception Island.
I'm gonna ask
Hi,
if there's anything
Nancy.
specific.
Nah, she
I
wouldn't
should
know.
get going.
Toodles.
So, if you want, you can play it super safe.
Okay.
All you need is just one item, really.
Crackers.
I don't know.
Well, she talks all the time about. Does she?
Maybe she's just memeing.
I think I'm just projecting.
I'm going to bake another cake for Lulu, if that's okay.
Help yourself.
I better get rid of the cake I have before I try baking another one.
How unfortunate.
So I'm going to assume parrots don't like salami.
I don't know why. What's this?
Okay, that's...
I can't remember the last time I heard of a parrot eating mealworms. And it's gone.
Alright, look, just
I'm
keep it
going
nice
to
and
bake
simple.
another cake for Lulu,
Yeah.
if that's okay.
Help yourself.
I can't imagine that she would have any...
I think mealworms might be... Oh, okay. You know what,
I'm
just...
going to bake another cake for Lulu, if that's okay.
Go right at.
Mealworms. Ugh.
Okay. You think mealworms are good?
Probably.
Alright, mealworms. She's getting mealworms.
That should be enough for a Lulu yummy cake.
Certainly doesn't look any better than the last one.
Yeah.
I think they just took the texture from the ground outside and like put it over the model.
Honestly, yeah.
For a second I thought the background music was what she was humming.
It's similar.
Felicity, the door, the door. Pay no attention.
Lulu, there are other movies.
Hello.
Lulu want a yummy cake?
Cake. Lulu want cake. Delicious.
Okay.
Okay, Lulu, tell me, what's up with the word baby?
Wanted bonnet. Yeah,
Bonnet.
baby bonnet.
All right.
Okay, that's fair.
Bye, bird.
Hour.
Hour.
Just think of words that go with
Minute?
hour. It's not. It's not like there's similarities. It's a compound word. Good job.
Is there a... No E?
What were you thinking?
Anteater.
Come up with a different word.
Ant...
Remember, it can be a short word too, and you just get rid of the other spots.
Yeah, I know. Ant-Man.
Get out of my house.
Now. Waste his time 2020. Dang.
What's that noise? It sounds like an air conditioner.
In the game?
Yeah. It's weird.
Maybe a draft or an actual air conditioner.
Maybe.
Jesus.
You
gave
me
me
such a fright. What were you doing in there?
Kayleigh, that's a crude hand gesture.
They don't care.
Okay, now, you can pick what you say very carefully. She asked what you were doing.
I don't trust her.
I was looking at the artifacts. They're quite intriguing.
Oh, I see.
You did not say that very
Well,
convincingly.
No, I did
didn't
not.
realize you were so interested in the treasures of Blackmoor.
So you don't trust Ethel, like at all.
No, look at how she purses her lips like 24/7.
Yeah.
Do you think there is treasure hidden somewhere
I'll
in
bite the
manor?
bullet.
No, not at all. At least, not the treasure you're probably thinking of. The Penvellyns have lived here for centuries. The house resonates with their presence. Any hidden treasure in Blackmoor would be found in the family's history, in the Penvellyns' passions and deeds.
Right, okay. So, I probably just picked the worst two combinations of sentences that I could.
So there's a lot of things you can ask her here, actually.
Yeah, and you told me earlier to be careful with what I ask her because I only see her occasionally.
Yeah. So only ask what you really want to know.
Yeah.
What you're teaching Jane looks pretty rigorous, but interesting.
I believe young people need to have a well-rounded education and learn what every other Penvellyn should know.
Uh-huh.
Do you know much about the Penvellyn family history?
No kidding, she does.
Only that they were a very well-respected and talented family. Many of my ancestors were tutors of some of the Penvellyns, and I feel very honored to continue that tradition.
Isn't that creepy?
That's very obscure.
Her lineage is tangent with the Penvellyns.
That is like...
And she's not a Penvellyn herself.
She's got problems. Okay.
Have you ever heard the legend about the Beast of Blackmoor?
Of course, everyone who grows up in these parts knows it. But it's just a myth, one that unfortunately proved to be quite damaging to the Penvellyns.
Damaging to the Penvellyns?
Well, yes. Eleanor Penvellyn was executed because the villagers believed that she had created the beast. Things cannot get much more damaging than that.
You see, if that was something in my family history, I would be parading that.
Having your witch lineage having summoned a monster to terrorize townfolk.
Absolutely. I can't think of anyone who wouldn't think that's so cool.
Okay.
Have you seen the book in Jane's room called the Mutus Liber?
Yes, the silent book. It's quite fascinating and very old. Jane's grandfather left it with me to give to her.
Alan.
It almost seems as if it's telling some kind of story.
Yes, but a long-lost story whose meaning will probably never be understood.
Well, I won't keep you any longer.
Goodbye, Nancy.
Where'd she go?
Time has
Who knows?
come for clothes.
So that's Ethel again.
Hello!
She was just like going, the time has come for Lulu. Like, girl, are you about to die?
If I said ant to the very, very clever and beautiful bird, it would say...
Cake first, Lulu.
Alright, we'll just fast forward this for the viewers.
Yeah, I know the drill.
I promise to make it quickly this time.
Molly is a stupid bird.
Just make it blueberries.
Yeah.
I'm going to bake another cake for Lulu, if that's okay.
Help yourself.
Yep.
You're getting to be quite the birdcake cook, aren't you?
You have no idea.
Alright, Lulu, you want some fried blueberries?
That doesn't sound that bad.
No, actually, not really.
My friend, as a Christmas gift yesterday, she made these cranberry scones. Oh my god, I would murder for them. I literally ate them all in one day, and there were 3 of them.
Man.
This is not the right time.
What?
Just talk to her.
Oops.
Hello.
Lulu want a yummy cake?
Cake. Lulu want cake. Delicious.
I'm glad. So tell me about the word ant.
Hill. Lulu would say
Hill.
ant hill.
Okay.
Bye, bird.
Bob's your uncle.
I don't remember what's on the other side. That's what it is.
Oh, finally. Is there a light switch, perchance? I don't like that.
It
What?
looks like the rest of this grid is on the other side of the wall.
You can play around with that now if you want. We'll come to it eventually.
What?
You probably want to make all the triangles face one way or the other. But some move others.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it. These are alchemical symbols, so you may want to try to find somewhere to read up on alchemy, to figure out what the upside down triangle and the right side up triangle means. But for the meantime, now that we have that coat of arms of Corbin Penvellyn, we could actually go take a look at that other gargoyle. The one in the hall.
Whee! Oh, I haven't taken a look at this yet, really. I guess.
Oh, the little timepiece that you got out of the slide, right?
Yeah, I guess it doesn't just let me observe it.
No.
But
Who's the pretty bird in the mirror?
Linda's crying.
hey, wait. That's not Linda's room. That's
Yeah, you passed it. Linda, girl, are you okay?
What'd he do? Hey!
Yuck. Did you order this meat?
I told you, I get hungry. Now go away.
Oh, I get it. They delivered hers because they didn't have to cook it. Mine's still in the oven.
You should probably just order something new from the Boar's Head, honestly.
Hi, Linda.
I'm
Linda?
just gonna try again. No.
I'll be going now.
Man,
That's sad.
call me an idiot, but I really...
Idiot.
Okay, I didn't even say it yet. But I really want to try raw meat.
No.
Just like look, I had my first actually good and proper bloody steak on Christmas. It was like medium rare or something. I know that it's not healthy for you, or it's like very easy to get sick from
You're
it.
trying to get worms, is what you're trying to do.
Fine, I'll start small. I'll cook a rare steak.
No, you're not. Oops.
Okay, so it twists. And that's the coat of arms we found.
You spin me right round, baby, right round. Numquan, that's like no or nothing.
Nothing, I think.
And
Nothing
Diddy's-
given. Is that what it translates to?
Hold on.
No,
I
you
don't need Lulu for this.
You don't need to Duolingo this. Come on.
It's
It's the symbols, not
Well-
not the caption that's important.
and whatever. Oops. That didn't mean to do that. So it's like
2 on the right, 1 on the left, 1 on the right, 2 on the left, and then 1 on the right.
Okay. I don't know if that means I need to reset it, but it's like turn left twice, right? No, wait. Turn right twice, left once, right once, left twice, right once. Man, I left the mystery solving notebook at home again. I'm just going to jot this down quickly on my notes app, if that's alright with you.
Alright, if you want. Man, on the topic of mystery solving notebooks, we had some people in the Discord show off theirs, and they are beautiful. People do
I
like
love them.
complete illustrations of puzzles from games, whereas, you know, some of us just write down our stuff on scratch paper, so.
Yeah, I feel insecure now. My mystery solving notebook is hideous.
You gotta step our game up.
I think I'm gonna order like a nice pretty journal from Etsy and just like revamp our entire mystery solving notebook.
Not a bad idea.
They've got like really pretty old fashioned ones. Okay. Now I'm just gonna like reset him because I know he was facing this way. No, stop. Stop, sir.
There you go.
Okay. So, right?
That's the left.
Okay. Right, left, right, left, right. You cannot tell me that Linda just did this on accident.
She said the
She was like, oh, I was moving it around.
I'm pretty sure
left,
I once
right,
did
left,
it on
right.
accident.
Really?
Yeah, probably my first time ever when I was like 10 years old.
Oh, not again.